Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Caden. Today we're going to be learning how to code part 2 out of 3 of Flappy Bird. Okay, let's jump right into it by today coding scores and collisions. We're going to start off down here at this block that we coded in the last section. Going to go into variables. Now I've already created a score and a high score variable. You guys will just need to go into make a variable and then create the variable there. Okay, I'm just going to grab a change, put it in above the repeat but inside the if, and then going to set that to score, and it's change score by 1. Okay, this means that when it touches the bit in between the middle of the pipe, it will automatically change the score as well, which is really useful for us. Okay, now we're just going to go straight in to coding the high score as well. So all we have to do here is go and grab a when flag clicked, go back down to variables, going to grab a set, because we want to set score to 0 at the start of the game, and we're going to say forever in control if, going to operators, grab a greater than statement into variables. If score is greater than high score, then we are going to set high score to score. Okay, now we're going to move on to collisions, as that is our scores done. Okay, I'm just going to grab when I receive, and we're going to drop down and change this to start. Very important that we do that, just so that we make sure that everything is timed correctly and we set ourselves up nicely for part 3. Okay, we're going to go into control, grab a forever statement, an if statement to go along with that, go into sensing, touching, going to drop down, grab edge. We're then going to go back into events, and we're going to broadcast restart, just as it says here. Then we're going to go into control, drop all the way down to control, and just say stop other scripts in this sprite. Then we're going to grab another one and say stop this script. We just want to do this so that in part 3, again, we set ourselves up nicely so that we don't have to do anything when it comes to coding the menu as such. We won't run into as many problems, which is good for us. Okay, now we're just going to move straight on to the next section. I'm going to drop down a bit for this one. And I'm just going to grab a flag clicked in events. So when flag clicked, control, forever, if. We're going to go into sensing, grab a touching, and I'm just going to go in here and add a wee show, just so that we can get that correct colour for the green of the pipes. Okay. See, this is our problem here. Alright. Just gonna remove that quickly. Okay. Now I'm just gonna grab everything's running one without us. Okay, I'm just gonna stop that there. Gonna go back into the sprite that I changed, get rid of that, put that back in there, and connect that back. Okay, now I'm going to go back into Flappy Bird, and I'm just going to then hit another broadcast restart in events. Nice and simple. Again, control. We're going to do other scripts in this sprite. And then this script. Okay, now we're going to do the exact same thing, except I'm just going to duplicate this. I'm going to scroll down to it here. I'm going to detach this, get rid of the when flag clicked, go back into events, and give it a when I receive drop down menu stage 2. Okay, now that's good. That's us coded quite a bit of the collision side of things right there. Then we're just going to move on to our final part today, which is going to be another when I receive stage 2. So when I receive stage 2, I'm just going to then quickly grab a set in here. Oh, didn't want to do that. Set pipes to 2, and then we're going to go into control, grab a forever statement, then an if statement, move that over a wee bit just so that we have enough room. Forever if touching, so here, oh, already grabbed an if, sorry, if touching, we're going to select the wee eyedropper down there, and we're going to grab this blue inside the pipe. Okay, so that's good. We're now just going to then put in a change score by 1. So go into variables, grab a change, set that to score by 1. We're then going to grab a repeat. This may be familiar with one that we coded in the last section. It's just really the same thing, but this time it's for stage 2 with a couple of wee slight changes in here. We're then going to go into variables, grab a pipes, place that inside the repeat here. We're then going to wait 5 seconds. Going to wait 5 seconds, and then we're going to create clone. Sorry, in control at the very bottom, create clone, and it's not going to be of myself, it's going to be of pipes. Okay, now that's simple enough. We're just going to, I think that this is, sorry, I'm just going to change this to pipes 2. Alright, we're going to change this to pipes 2, as I do believe that that's what we need to do. I will double check that for the next time with you guys. I can't particularly show a lot. I can show the score for you guys. But as we haven't set when I receive and broadcast in stage 2 and restart and stuff like that, we're just going to be able to show you guys. There's the score done, and there's the next pipe coming in. That's looking all good. Let's see our collision. Yep, there we go. Okay, I'm now just going to add in, for the last thing today, I'm just going to add in a small backdrop from scratches, wide variety of them. Just going to scroll down here, find the blue one. Here we go, blue sky 2. And then that blends in quite nicely with all the other blues there. Okay, if you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, make sure that you just subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos. Turn notifications on so that you get to see my next part of this. Don't forget, comment down below what you want to see after I've done part 3. I've got a few ideas in mind, but if anyone wants to see something for say with Sphero, then I would love to do that. Just put your suggestions down in the comments. That's all from me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.